Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to join Jmancurly Discord server. If this helps you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open your browser and type on the search bar Jmancurly Discord server. Press enter and just go on the first website, Jmancurly, and as you can see, I've been invited to join the server. Just click on accept as and you will join the server. Now, if you can't join the server through this link, just copy the link over here. Go again on Discord. Go on the left side, click on add a server. And here, just click on join a server and paste the link over here. And now after that, just click on join server. Wait a minute. Confirm where are you human or not. Just click on I am human. And just click on join a server. And that's it. You are good to go. That's how you can join Jmancurly Discord server. Thanks for watching.